G'day troopers, Philbie here. Bit late to the party. Thought I'd try the chin mount on my helmet. Now I know everyone's done all this, been there, done that, like it, hate it, whatever, but I'm new to it, so I'm going to give it a crack. So today I'm going to take out the fat bob. It's the King's birthday weekend, and so I'm going to take this out and try the camera out, see what it's like. Pretty cold out here, but the sun's shining. Got the new taillights. Oh, look at that. Righto, let's try this camera out. Rightio. So on the fat bob, banging along, got the camera mount rejigged, so hopefully the height's right. Got my mirrors, can see plenty out of them now, which is good. They're a bit higher. The wind's cold on your hands. Ugh, Jesus. She's a little chilly out there. Got the Murray over here. Anyway, we'll crack on down to 5 Mile. Test these mirrors out. Just get the lights right.
Engines alive, 3 Harleys rumble, feeling the drive. From the coast to the outback, wind in my hair. Freedom's the mission and I'm already there. Hit a record, let the good times roll, burning up the road with a rock and roll soul. Hey, Philbie, throttle wide open, kick stand up, yeah, the spirit's awoken. Laughing in the sun, chasing the breeze, taking on off like it's begging me please. Hey, Philbie, ride on, ride free. The road is my stage and the stars follow me. Campfires, cold beers, and miles of red dirt, leather and legends, no time to hurt. Twisting through mountains, rolling by seas, living the dream on these V-twin beasts. Every twist, a story to tell with the roar of the engine, breaking the spell.
Going to 5 Mile here, see boat ramp. Check out the river. See how much fuel we got left. 63 kilometres. Oh, we've had a bit of rain out here because the middle of the car park's got a bit of water in it. Ramp. ominous clouds overhead. Looks like it's going to rain. Rightio, heated grips are working. If you haven't got heated grips on a Harley, get them. They're good. And it just makes life riding in winter a little bit better. Marine Rescue. And away we go.
Hey, Philbie, throttle wide open, kickstand up, yeah, the spirit's awoken, laughing in the sun, chasing the breeze, taking on Oz like it's begging me, please. Hey, Philbie, ride on, ride free, the road is my stage and the stars follow me. From dusty trails to skyline views, with the wind at my back and no curfew. It's not just a ride, it's a way to live. Got nothing but stories and love to give. Hey, Philbie, throttle wide open, kickstand up, yeah, the spirit's awoken, laughing in the sun, chasing the breeze, taking on Oz like it's begging me, please. Hey, Philbie, ride on, ride free, you're the king of the road, where you're meant to be. Yeah, ride on, Philbie, let the wheels sing your legacy.
How good is it? She's still pretty chilly, but with the heated grips, hands don't mind. Normally I'd have gloves on. Just give it a run up 35 mile and back and try it out. I'm digging these new handlebars. Everything's fantastic. I just got everything at my fingertips. Still got my cruise control. On, off. That works a treat. I can see now out of my mirrors and they're not vibrating, which is good. Anyway, that'll do it for today. See you on the next round.